Presentation Mastery Path L1P2, that is Level 1 Project 2, Evaluation and Feedback. The purpose is, the project is to present a speech on any topic, receive feedback, and apply the feedback to a second speech. Overview: choose any topic for your first 5 to 7 minute speech. After your speech, carefully review your feedback. At a future club meeting, present a 5 to 7 minute speech in which you incorporate feedback from your first speech. You may choose to present the same speech again or a new speech. Your second speech should reflect some or all of the feedback from your first speech. Finally, after you have completed both speeches, serve as an evaluator at a club meeting and deliver constructive feedback about another member's presentation. And about the title of DTM Sam's speech, you know DTM Sam's presence of mind. It is spruce up your interest. It is spruce up your interest. I hand over to DTM Sam. Time is 5 to 7 minutes.
Good evening, friends. Today's theme of the meeting is dream. This is the book. It begins with your dream. This book has roughly 220 pages. This book I imported from US. When I learned about the author, I bought all his books. This is not the only book or set of books I have of one author. I am very fond of books and I keep buying books. The arrival of the digital era, Amazon, just increased my interest to buy books. But reading them, how many of you are presently reading a book? Raise your hands. A lot of us want to read books. A lot of us have this interest. But how many of us do read a book regularly? There are various reasons why we go to buy. Anup, I hear you. I see you saying that you are regularly reading a book. That is a fantastic thing. But I just would like to help people who have this interest to read the book. I don't think there is anyone here who doesn't want to read a book or many books. Because Peter Legge says, if you read just 30 pages of a book every day, a normal book consists of 300 pages. You will finish a book in 10 days, which means in a month, 3 books. In a year, you are completing 36 books. If 5 years you do, you finish 180 books. And if it is an area of where you want to become an expert, after reading 180 books on that area, you are going to become an expert no matter what. But what happens is, a lot of people pick up a book and they don't end up finishing a book. In fact, many people, I would say, would not have read even one book in one full year. So I'm going to give you some nice tips, 9 tips I'm going to give you how to rekindle and spruce up your interest to read a book. Okay, are you all ready? Because whether you like it or not, I would like to read many books. Even this is a reaffirmation of what I must do. First, when you want to read a book, select that title, that theme that you love the most. Nothing other than the theme that you love the most will interest you the more to read a book. You know, when I started reading, because I am so fond of humor, I used to buy books that are humorous authors' books I used to buy. Now, we all know various languages, right? We know English. Some of you may know Hindi. Like I know Hindi, English, and Tamil, right? So I can buy books in the languages that I know, which I can read fluently. So I buy in English and in Tamil, but the subject matter usually is humor, which means I am interested to read that book. And think of an author you like the most. You would have read an author and you would have liked this writing style. You can connect with that author. So choose the author whose writing you love the most. Then keep a target for reading X number of pages every day. Keep a target. I will read no matter what 15 pages per day. You will not believe, over a period of time, that 15 pages will grow to 25 pages, the 25 will grow to 50, the 50 will grow to 100. So initially keep a target that I will read, I must read so many pages a day. These days, digital versions of books are coming, and Amazon Kindle keeps track of how many pages you read and what was your reading, how many hours you read in a week. Like that motivates you. Like you have the watch, it keeps track of how many steps you took, and it keeps motivating you how many more steps you have to take to reach your goal. Same way, Amazon Kindle can kindle your interest, spruce up your interest to read more. Then tell people that you are reading a book and show off. The moment you show off, somebody will come back to you and say, hey, you are reading a book. What happened? Have you finished it? So that will make you committed to completing that book. Then share what you read and highlight the passages you like. You bring it in conversations. That will show you off as a person who is well read. That will kindle your interest to complete reading again and again. And inform your wife or your son or your daughter that she must nudge you to read the number of pages that you are set out to read. So she will come and say, Dad, I didn't see you pick up a book today. Go sit there in the room and read those 20 pages that you said you will read. If somebody nudges you to read, it will propel you to the reading habit. Then there is a website called Goodreads. If you go to Goodreads, a lot of people write reviews on the books that they read. So if you read those Goodreads reviews, it will kindle your interest to select a topic and read that book. Then if a book that you started is not that interesting, never mind, just throw it away and pick up a new book. There is no point in getting wedded to a book that you don't like. Most important thing is, after you had a nice meal, never lie down on your bed and pick up a book. You are not going to read. You will definitely sleep. So always ensure that your reading is in a comfortable position, most likely in the sitting posture. And then please put your mobile phone on do not disturb mode and in silence. Ensure that all disturbances are removed from your life when you are reading a book. That way you can enjoy the book. These are my 9 tips for you to again kindle your interest to read a book and finish not 1, not 2, not 3, but at least 10 books a year. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Sam, for that wonderful advice and tip, and to give those practical suggestions how to develop that habit of reading. We have 1 minute to give our feedbacks to Toastmaster Sam for this